What is it? Somebody's footstep.
Oh. It's a dinosaur.
Yeah, looks like it.
No, I think it's a...
Now we're getting very close to I think we may be able to get to the island. Alright, here it is, the entrance to the island.
And also all these birds. I almost think our birds, we could just fly right to the island.
And then you can poop on your head. Okay. Are we gonna be able to cross? Don't look like it.
Let's use rocks to block off the water.
I don't think you can. Alright, press. So where are we?
Are you always asking me this?
We are in Rockaway Beach on the way to Newport.
I want to go to the beach.
Okay, let's go then.
Okay, time to pause.
Alright, there's something here. What is that? The top of the lighthouse?
Artlist.io.
So press, where are we?
I don't know. We lost internet like a million times.
True, we almost got lost. So Depot Bay, where everybody's doing a whale watching. So press where we right now. We are at the Outer Loop Crest. What's this?
100 feet above the sea. Sorry. Oh my god, 500 feet above the sea. So that's
So press where we are.
You farted in my head.
It's the Kina Head
What?
Lighthouse something.
You farted.
Let's go to the lighthouse. Go closer. That sounds crazy. Press, it's day 5. Can you tell me where we are?
No,
Why not?
I don't know.
We still here in Newport, Bayfront Historic Town. Yesterday we weren't able to find any parking, so today we start off early.
So we stand up early and we pass the road. And I wonder.
Yeah, it's like 7 o'clock.
How do we get up there?
Oh, fishing.
Fishing or the bird?
It's everywhere.
Oh, they allow.
You see that right there? This one. We may have to zoom in.
I see a bird.
This is so pretty. Okay, press where we at?
Park.
At
Park.
It's Hollywood Park.
Riverfront Park in Salem. This is the capital of Oregon. So press where we at?
Enchanted Forest, but you never told me what it was.
It's a surprise. It's enchanted. You know, you see all the creatures that you never thought you'd see.